Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to this video បាទសួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាបាទសូមស្វាគមន៍សម្រាប់ការចូលមកទស្សនាវីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះបាទវីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនអ្នកនរគ្នាអំពី stative verb បាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាដែលជាអ្នកសិក្សាប្រកាសជាដឹងថាតើverb នឹងជាអ្វីហើយបាទហើយក្នុងវីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញថាតើ verb នឹងវាយ៉ាងម៉េចខ្លះបាទតកតងទៅនឹង stative verb បាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្លាប់ដឹងថាកិរិយាសព្ទគឺបង្ហាញអំពីសកម្មភាពបាទសកម្មភាពប៉ុន្តែក៏នៅមានកិរិយាសព្ទមួយចំនួនគឺមិនបង្ហាញអំពីសកម្មភាពទេណាដែលយើងហៅថាជា stative verb yeah stative verb yeah a stative verb is used to describe a state rather than an action stative verbs so what state the subject is in yeah for example, you can see John loves pizza. Yeah. So love is stative verb. Yeah. So love we cannot use continuous. We cannot say John is loving pizza. No. Yeah. So love describe the subjects John. Yeah. It is emotional state. So love is emotional state. Yeah. បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងអត់អាចប្រើ love នឹងជា continuous បានទេណាអត់ប្រើបានទេព្រោះអី state verb យើងអត់ប្រើក្នុង continuous ទេបាទអញ្ចឹងចង់ដឹងថាតើ state verb មានអីខ្លះក្នុងវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថាតើ state verb មានអីខ្លះហើយវាជាប្រភេទ state verb បែបម៉េចបាទអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យនៅរងចាំយូរចូលតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះទាំងអស់គ្នាតែម្ដងYeah, as stative verb describe a state rather than continuous action. Stative verbs are not used with continuous tense, such as the present continuous and future continuous. បាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដឹងហើយកិរិយាសព្ទភាគច្រើនគឺយើងប្រើជា continue បានប៉ុន្តែក៏នៅមានកិរិយាសព្ទមួយចំនួនគឺយើងអាចប្រើក្នុង continue ទេណាបង្ហាញអំពីសកម្មភាពកំពុងតែកើតឡើងបានទេយេកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នោះហើយយើងហៅថាជា stative verb យេជា stative verb យេអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចប្រើជា continuous tense បានទេកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នោះបាទហើយកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នោះមានអីខ្លះយេYeah, in English there are some types of stative verbs. First, feeling or emotion state. Yeah, feeling or emotion state. Yeah. បាទអញ្ចឹងទី1គឺបង្ហាញអំពី feeling ឬក៏ emotion. Yeah. Like love or hope. Yeah. The second, position. Yeah, like hell or oh. Yeah. The third, measurement. Yeah, or we can say measurement. Yeah, measurement. Yeah, like content, equal. Yeah. The fourth, mental state. Yeah, mental state like know or forget. Yeah. The next, the fifth, senses or perception. Yeah, like hear or taste. Hear or taste. Yeah. And some the other verb we can say state verb also. Yeah. មានកិរិយាសព្ទមួយចំនួនទៀតផងដែរដែលយើងអាចចាត់ទុកថាជា stative verb ដែរ Yeah. ដូចជា seem matter. Yeah. Yeah. អញ្ចឹងយើងចូលទៅបង្ហាញអំពី stative verb នឹងមានអីខ្លះ Yeah. Here is an extensive list of stative verbs in English. Yeah, the types of stative verb is indicated in bracket. បាទអញ្ចឹងខាងក្រោមនេះគឺជា stative verb ណាដែលយើងប្រើនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសហ្នឹងហើយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងដឹងថាតើ stative verb ហ្នឹងវាជា stative verb អីគេវាក្នុង list ខាងក្រោមហ្នឹងបង្ហាញអំពីប្រភេទនៃ stative verb នៅក្នុងវងខ្ចប់បាទ chẳng miền stative verb mùi chùm nuốt bà đôi chia love và chia emotion nè emotion rồi có cái hạt feel feeling yeah feeling emotion rồi có feeling yes hate yeah hope desire like dislike prefer adore want need value care for appreciate yeah appreciate despite long for feel yeah enjoy yeah have position yeah position have like yeah possess own belong rồi có những hàng belong to yeah belong to content measurement rồi có measurement yeah measurement yeah include measure weight consist equal yes the next here perception yeah perception or senses yeah senses here see smell taste feel touch look sound yes the next no mental state yeah mental state no forget understand remember imagine agree disagree believe yeah the next suppose yeah mental state also daft Danny realize embrace surprise please mean yeah the next matter yeah matter yeah this is the other verb yeah we can say the other verb also express about the stative verb yes matter on sorry all yeah all depend fit seem resemble yeah so all of the verb I hope all of you can translate yeah if you cannot translate you can research by yourself yeah by yourself yeah បាទអញ្ចឹងគេអាស័ព្ទទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចរៀនបកប្រែដោយខ្លួនឯងចុះបាទខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាវាមិនជាបញ្ហាទេលើការបកប្រែបាទមិនជាបញ្ហាទេបាទសំខាន់គឺអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវដឹងថាគេអាស័ព្ទទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺជា stative verb ណាជា stative verb បាទអញ្ចឹងការបកប្រែមកអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាច search dictionary បកប្រែបានដោយខ្លួនឯងយ៉ាបន្តមកទៀត A number of verbs can refer to state or actions depending on the context ចឹងគេអាស័ព្ទមួយចំនួនវាអាស្រ័យលើ content របស់យើងណាតើវាជា stative ឬក៏ជា action យ៉ាជា stative ឬក៏ action yeah for example sing yeah sing we can say stative and action yes stative verb or an action verb yeah for example I think it's good idea yeah so sing here is we can say state not action yeah not action state verb yeah but wait a moment I'm thinking so sing here refer to the action verb. Yeah, action verb mean that thinking about something. Yeah, thinking about something. So the action verb. Yeah. So you understand everyone? Yeah. The next. So some verb can be state or action. Yeah, can be state or action. Yeah, like sing. Yeah, the other like have. Yeah, have. Yeah, have. I have an old car. Yeah. So I have an old car. Have is state verb. Refer to the position state. Yeah, position state. Yeah, the next. I'm having a quick break. Yeah, so have here refer to the action verb. Yeah, action verb mean that having a break for is an activity. Yeah, mean that have បញ្ជាអំពីអីអំពីសកម្មភាពកំពុងតែ having a break. Yeah, having a break is an activity វាបញ្ជាក់អំពីសកម្មភាព yes សកម្មភាព the next C. Yeah, C can be active and can be action according to or depend on the context. Yes. For example, do you see any problem with that? Yeah, with that. So see here is stative. Refer to the opinion. Yeah, opinion. Yeah, or we can say sin. Yes, sin. Yeah, sin. There's a sin or perception state verb. Yeah, state verb. Yeah. The next, we sing. Yeah, we sing Taddanari. Yeah, Taddanari tomorrow afternoon. Yeah. So see here is the action verb. Yeah, mean that we are meeting him, or we can say we are meeting him. See mean that meeting. Yeah, meeting him. Yeah, meeting Taddanari. Yeah, Taddanari. Yes. The next verb. Yeah, be. Yeah, he is, or we can say he's so interesting. So the state verb is. Yeah, is the state verb. Yeah, mean that his permanent quality. Yeah, permanent quality. Yeah. So is verb be you know be am is are also the state verb. You remember that all of the be verb be plus adjective refer to the state verb. បាទអញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចាំណាគេស័ព្ទ be ដែលបូកជាមួយនឹង adjective វាគឺជា state verb ណាចាំទាំងអស់គ្នាចាំត្រឹមណាឲ្យតែគេស័ព្ទ be ដែលបូកជាមួយនឹង adjective គឺវាជា state verb ហើយយើងដឹងហើយគេស័ព្ទ be មានអីខ្លះមាន am is are យ៉ាអញ្ចឹងវាជា state verb ហើយកាលណាបូកជាមួយនឹង adjective. Yes. But here be can be active. Yeah, he is, or we can say he's being very unhelpful, or we can say unhelpful. Yeah, unhelpful. So the action, yeah, he is. Yeah, he is temporarily behaving this way. Yeah, behaving this way. So be here is refer to the active verb. Yeah, the active verb. Yes. The next verb, taste. Yeah, taste. We can say the stative or active verb. Depend on the context. Yes. This coffee tastes delicious. Yeah. So taste here is the state verb. Yeah. Our perception of the coffee mean that we can receive the the coffee mean that the coffee delicious. Yeah, the coffee delicious. Yeah, បាទអញ្ចឹងអានេះ taste នេះវាជា state verb ណាជា state verb. Yeah មានន័យថារសជាតិណា taste នេះយើងប្រែថាជារសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ Yeah this coffee taste delicious មានន័យថារសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ Yeah អាចទទួលយកបាន Yeah រសជាតិអាចទទួលយកបាន Yes and the other look the chef is tasting the show. Yeah mean that taste saw the accent. Yeah saw the accent. Yeah look the chef is tasting the show. Yeah so taste here refer to the accent. Yeah tasting the soup is an activity បាទអញ្ចឹង taste ពេលនេះគឺសំដៅទៅលើសកម្មភាពដែលកំពុងតែកើតឡើងណាមានន័យថាធ្វើតេស្តឬក៏ភ្លក់ Yeah ភ្លក់ណា Yeah taste Yeah ភ្លក់ស៊ុបណាភ្លក់ម្ហូប Yes but have the other verb can be state. Yeah like include the verb agree, appear, does, feel, guess, hear, imagine, look, measure, remember, smell, wake, wish. All of these can be state. Yeah can be state and can be active. Yeah so you remember everyone, but you remember that active or state according to, or we can say depend on the context as I extract the example about for you. Yeah you can see all the example I saw you before. Yeah I saw you. Yeah so that's all for this video. Yeah I hope all of you understand what is the stative verb. Yeah so thanks for watching. See you next video. Yeah goodbye.